You love the beads? Are you gonna shake them? You shake the beads? Shake those beads. You can shake them. Shake, shake, shake the beads, Ivy girl. You can shake those beads. Oh, what's this camera all about, huh? What's that camera doing? Beads are way more interesting. I think you should shake them. Yeah, shake them. Shake those beads. Yeah. Nice. Necklaces. Oh man. Is that ever cool? Hi, I caught ya. Gotcha. You got him, huh? It's a good spot though, huh? Can you smile? Can you smile for the people that are gonna see this? Like Nana? Nana? And Grandpa? Yes? Yeah? That's a good smile. That's a very good smile. Can you smile some more? I think you should. Yeah, you can smile. You can smile about it. Smiley girl. Stretching your legs out. Little feet. You're gonna stretch your legs. Can you smile again? Are you gonna smile, girly girl? Yay. Kick your leg. Good girl. Smilers? Oh man, those beads. Yeah. You're such a sweet girl. Yeah. Alright. One last smile? We do one last smile and then we'll go. You smile? Can you smile, little Ivy girl? Okay. I'm gonna turn the one-eyed camera off, okay? Alright. You gonna talk? I'd hate to miss you talking. I'd hate to miss you talking. Can you talk? Will you say something to Mama? You say something? Huh? Are you gonna talk? Talk? You can talk? Yeah. Yeah, say something. You can. You can say something. Yeah. All right. We'll see you later.